Take a look at that. This is a huge bite. Got a little color to it. 2 different kinds of curry. Flavor versus heat. 2x Buldak on top. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's get right into it. This is going to be delectable. Good chopstick holder. If you guys were there for my last video, I did try this Ramyun Chef. The flavor is there, but it tastes a lot like upgraded chicken flavor. So let's go right in with that 2x. Okay. My eyes are already watering. I don't know if I want to do that again. I do know I want to try this curry. Look at the package. It's kind of pretty. Take a look at that. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. This is a huge bite. Now that has some good curry flavor. Let's try them together. This is going to be a winner. Oh. Cheers. Okay. The egg does cut down on the spiciness, so that's nice. It'd even be better if I made them creamy. I'm thirsty. This is not a no milk challenge. My other videos lately have been. Cheers. This is for you guys wanting a cold, refreshing drink. Oh. Well, that is nice. A little more Buldak. 2x. Oh. Okay, here's a close-up. Does it look good? Let's go. Yes. Oof. But it's a good amount of spice. Really up close. They're not bad mixed together, but you know me, I like the spice. Heat versus flavor. Buldak Curry wins for the heat for sure. The Ramyun is not really too strong on the curry flavor. If you like a lot of chicken flavor though, I vote that one. Mixing them together. Alright, fine, you convinced me. Here we go. That was good. Time for some cool down. I'm extra warm now. I actually put quite a bit of 2x on that stuff. Okay, one more drink. Excuse me. Oh, guess what? Okay, for my next video, speaking of cheesy, I have some Buldak Quattro coming. Yes, I've never had it before, and I know some of you really like that cheesy Buldak flavor, so I'm gonna give that a taste test. We'll have fun with that for sure. And probably do like some sort of curry, cheesy, Quattro, extra cheesy mashup. So yeah. And if you're not subscribed, I mean, what are you doing? Do you want to see that cheesy mashup? Because I know I would. Toot my own horn. Okay. Anyhow, if you do like cheesy, spicy noodle videos, well, I've got your back. I'm here for it. Okay. I know I usually eat it all, but I think I'm done for now. I'm not used to eating 2 packs plus all the eggs. I'm not going to let this go to waste, trust me. After it settles a little bit, I'll just pop it in the microwave with some cheese, watch my favorite show, maybe edit this video. So, thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Oh, pardon me. Let me have another drink. Just a little one. Okay, well, till next time, like and subscribe. Okay, bye.